So here it will be V I into T is equal to M C delta T. M is the mass, C is the specific heat capacity, delta T is the temperature change, and here V is voltage, I is current, T is the time. So therefore the time taken is going to be, so this is 1 kg. Specific heat capacity of water is 4200 joule per kg degree centigrade, and the temperature change is 80 degrees centigrade. Gone, divided by V into I, which is 4 ampere into 220 volts. So this will be coming in seconds, so we divide by 60 to get the answer in minutes. Okay, so 0 is gone, 8, so this becomes 2, 0 is again gone, the 6, so this becomes 70, and this becomes 11. So therefore we have 70 upon 11 minutes. 11 divided by 70, 6, 66, 40, so 6.3 minutes. So therefore the answer is going to be A. So what we have done is, we have calculated how much heat is supplied by the kettle, that is V into I into T. How much heat is required by the water to go to the boiling temperature, which is 100 degrees centigrade. So both of them has to be equal, so therefore be equated. Thank you.